Hello kids, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 6, non-infinitive verbs. Okay, like the start on this chapter. Straight verbs है. Study the following sentences. Number first है, my friend swims daily. मेरा friend क्या करता है? Daily swims करता है. Next, my friend swims daily. तो number sentence was the verb swims है has friend for its subject. जो उसका friend क्या है? Subject है. और swims क्या है? हमारी verb है. उसी तरह जहाँ पर हमारा friends है वो हमारा verb है plural का, और plural होने के बाद जो हमारी verb है वो हमारी क्या आएगी? First form में convert होगी. Okay? Now, the verb swims is limited by the subject third person singular number. In the sentence 2, the verb swim has friends for the subject and the verb swim is limited by the subject third person plural numbers. Okay? We call such limited verbs infinitive verbs. All verbs in the indicative, imperative and subjective modes are infinitive because they are limited by the person and the numbers of their subjects. वास्तविक रूप से जो हमारे सेंटेंस का सब्जेक्ट होता है वो हमारी वर्ब पर डिपेंड करता है. यदि हमारा सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल फॉर्म्स में होता है तो हमारा जो वर्ब होती है वो सिंपल क्रिया के रूप में काम करती है. यदि हमारा सब्जेक्ट हमारा क्या होता है? सिंगुलर होता है तो हमारी जो वर्ब होती है उसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब या मेन वर्ब के अकॉर्डिंग उसमें एस या यस या वर्ब की सेकेंड फॉर्म आदि का प्रयोग किया जाता है. ओके, नाउ नॉन-इंफिनिटिव वर्ब्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 क्लासेस. Number first, infinitives, gerund and participles. Okay. Now, kids, we discuss the infinitive verbs. The infinitive is the base form of verb often used with to. जो infinitive verb होते हैं उसी to के साथ जोड़ा जाता है. Infinitive is a kind of noun with certain features of the verb. For example, to find fault is easy. Here, the infinitive to find like a noun is the subject of the verb is, but like a verb, it also takes an object false. Okay. Number second, he likes to play football. And next we are the infinitive to bar. Like a noun is the object of the verb likes, but likes a verb, it also takes an object football. Next, as he wants to work hard. Here the infinitive to work like a noun is the object of a verb wants, but likes a verb, it is also modified by the adverb hard. Okay? चलिए, next way, use of infinitives. The infinitive may be used, number first, as the subject of a verb. To exercise is good for health. Next, as the object of a verb, boys likes to play cricket. As an adjective के रूप में यूज करते हैं, the food to eat is scarce. As the complement के रूप में यूज करते हैं verb का, she appears to dance well. As adverb verb plus infinitive रूप में यूज करते हैं, she came to see her. Okay? चलिए, next time, as an adverb में करेंगे, एडजेक्टिव और इंफिनिटिव में करेंगे, फ्रेंच इज इजी टू लर्न. नेक्स्ट, एज एन एडवर्ब प्लस इंफिनिटिव के साथ करेंगे, रीना केम हियर टू स्टडी. एज द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ प्रीपोजिशन में करेंगे, द वीमन वॉज अबाउट टू डाई. इन पैसिव फॉर्म में करेंगे, पोर्स वांट टू बी ट्रीटेड as a king. To infinitive रूप में करेंगे, that bag is too heavy for me to fit. Enough और imperative के साथ करेंगे, he is strong enough to fight his battle. Okay. Now infinitive without to. Infinitive को use करना है बिना to के. Example है, the to in the infinitive is left out after the was bid, dear, here, let, make, net, see, watch. Okay, like the start now. The officer bade him go. He dare not say this. We have heard her speak in the college function. She let them sit there. They made him walk fast. She need not see these films. And next week they saw her cross the road. I watched him come and go back. Okay? Now, kids, we do the practice time. Fill in the blanks with suitable infinitives. We should learn how to save water. The Joker made us all laugh. It is difficult to please. Okay? Now kids, left exercise you do yourself. Next trend. Complete the sentence में she is too weak to run. Okay? फिर it is too hot. बहुत गर्मी है. To go outside. Okay? चलिए. Next है the gerund. Read the following sentences. Walking is good for health. The word walking is formed from the verb walk by adding ing. जीरन क्या होता है? जब वर्ब के साथ ing ऐड कर दी जाती है उसी को हम जीरन कहते हैं. The word walking is used here as the subject of a verb is. और जो हमारा subject और verb होता है वो present में होता है. Next, it is therefore does the work of a noun. The verb walking is therefore both like a verb and a noun. In other words, it is a verb, noun or verbal noun called gerund. A gerund is a word that is partly a noun and partly a verb. Other examples of gerunds are: this is singing gives joy. Bathing is necessary to have. She likes feeding. चलिए आगे sentence first and second and third. The gerund is as the subject of a verb. Okay? चलिए. Use of gerund. A gerund being a verbal noun is used as a subject of a verb. Smoking is bad for health. उसी तरह ऑब्जेक्ट में यूज करते हैं जैसे सिंगिंग. ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ प्रीपोजिशन में यूज करते हैं जैसे एक्सक्यूज्ड ऑफ स्टीलिंग. कॉम्प्लीमेंट में यूज करते हैं तो हम लिखेंगे बास टाइम इज बर्ड वॉचिंग. लाइक अ वर्ब इट मे टेक्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट. तो वी आर फॉन्ड ऑफ सिंगिंग सॉन्ग्स. इन द शॉर्ट प्रोहिबिशन में करेंगे नो स्मोकिंग. ओके? चलिए gerund infinitive होते हैं. What the gerund infinitive are formed from a verb and are used as nouns. The gerund swimming is good for health. To swim ये हो गया infinitive के साथ. To swim is good for health. Okay? चलिए lying is in gerund में हो गया. To lie is in a sin. gerund के साथ infinitive हो गया. Okay? चलिए नाउ किड्स प्रैक्टिस टाइम है. इट इज नो यूज. क्या लिखेंगे? क्राइंग. क्राइंग ओवर स्पिल्ड मिल्क. यू बियर नीड्स ट्रिमिंग. ओके? चलिए अब आगे हैं. चूज द करेक्ट फॉर्म gerund और infinitive. gerund और infinitive को यूज करना है जैसे I was seeing the principal. Here told her not to touch. To touch. उसी तरह you may go on writing. Okay? चलिए आगे next में the participles. A participle does the function partly of a verb and partly of an adjective. Study the following sentences as see that boy climbing up the tree. He gave us the tin filled with sweets. In the above sentences, the words climbing and the fill are found from the verbs climbed and fill. They are therefore like verbs. Dequalify the noun boy and tin as an adjective does. These words therefore function both as verb and adjectives. They are called verbal adjective or participles. Okay. Next, present participles. Participles ending in ing is called present participles. Okay. It shows that the action is going on or in the incomplete or unfinished. Next, we bought the gerund and the present participles, and in ing, to gerund is a verbal noun, but the present participles is a verbal adjective. Okay. चलिए gerund हो गया हमारा रीता loves singing. Present participles हो गया she, that, girl singing. उसी तरह द बॉयज लाइक प्लेइंग क्रिकेट gerund है हमारा, तो आई saw द बॉय प्लेइंग क्रिकेट इन द फील्ड, ये हो गया प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल्स. ओके, चलिए अब है पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स. द पार्टिसिपल्स दैट डिनोट्स एन एक्शंस और स्टेट्स दैट व्हिच इज कंप्लीटेड एंड हेंस नो लॉन्गर इन प्रोग्रेस इज कॉल्ड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. जब कार्य खत्म तो हो जाता है लेकिन लंबे समय नहीं होता, उसी को हम पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स कहते हैं. द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स यूज एज इन द adjective is passive if the verb from which is derived is transitive. Such participles end in en and ed, d or t. Okay. Chale, they found the tree laden with fruits. He found the place abandoned. She could not make her voice heard. A burnt child needs fry. यहाँ तक इनमें and, d और टी का यूज किया गया, तो ये हो गए हमारे पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स. नेक्स्ट है यूज ऑफ प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल्स का टू क्वालिफाइंग अ नाउन और रीड एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. यूज ऑफ पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स है इन द पैसिव वॉइस में मैन वाज इंजर्ड इन एन एक्सीडेंट. एडजेक्टिव में हिज स्पॉइल्ड चाइल्ड. सब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट है विनर्स वर डिलाइटेड. ऑब्जेक्टिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स है शी गेट्स द स्कूटर सर्व्ड आफ्टर 3 months. Incoming sentence है the soldiers mounted her house. He rode away, mounted his horse. The soldiers rode away. Okay. Now, kids, this chapter will be completed and we do the exercise. Filling the blanks भरना है present और the past participles form में. जैसा Praveen is a boy. क्या है Praveen? Is a boy trusting. क्या हो गया? Trusting हो गई present के बाद. We smell something burnt. ये हो गई हमारी पास्ट की बात. उसी तरह we saw a car driven. Okay. Now kids, left exercise you do yourself. Okay. That kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.